Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing my Sugar Cosmetics collection to you guys. This is an updated version of the collection I showed I think 2 or 3 years ago. I think it was one of my first few videos and I will link it down in the description box below. So I do have most of those things from that time as well, but I did upgrade my makeup collection and I did add a few new additions to the Sugar Cosmetics stuff that I have, and I'm gonna be talking about them as well. But if you are interested to watch what I uploaded or what the other video had, then I'll link it down in the description box below for you to refer and have a look at. But for today I have a bunch of makeup products from Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm honestly amazed because right now all the makeup that I have, most of that is from Sugar Cosmetics. I don't know why that is. I never intentionally picked up just Sugar stuff, but I just realized that I have most things from Sugar Cosmetics than any other brand. So I'm gonna talk about the things that I have, the new things that they have launched, and some of my favorites in their collection. So let's talk about the Aquaholic hydrating stick first. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it comes in this basic cardboard box, and then there is this roll-on deodorant kind of tube. So it's blue in color, smells like nothing, but it gives like a very menthol kind of effect when you apply it on your skin. So if I honestly talk about this, कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, then that the world is raving about something and you have to get it because आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ये तो बहुत सही है, you know, you must try. तो मेरे साथ यही हुआ था. That's why I picked this product up, Alcoholic Hydrating Skin. On the box or on this, it's not mentioned anywhere what it does. It definitely talks about the ingredients of this product, but इतना कहीं depth में at least इसकी packaging पे नहीं है. I haven't checked on their website though कि उस पे उन्होंने कुछ elaborate किया है कि नहीं, if there are ways for you to use it or any directions to use. I'm not sure of that, so don't quote me. But apparently I saw a lot of YouTubers applying it before their makeup, and you know, they talk all good things about this, and I picked it up. And honestly, at first, if I talk about the first impressions of it, it really felt like a deodorant to me. I couldn't see much. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I can use it probably for skincare also because it's a hydrating stick. तो मैंने क्या किया, I just washed my face और मैंने इसको लगा लिया अपने face पे. It gives very nice, soothing, cooling kind of effect to your skin. पर मुझे ऐसा कुछ as such मतलब एक वो बोलते हैं ना कि ये लगा कि oh my god it just transformed my skin or whatever, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. So I didn't know. I mean, I was like, okay, fine, I'll keep using it, I'll see how it works. But then I started using it underneath my makeup, and to be honest, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, especially मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है जो मैंने बहुत raves सुनने के बाद कोई चीज़ खरीदी है and it did not work out for me. This product was different. It did work out for me. I wear it before, you know, before I put on makeup. अपने moisturizer के ऊपर I just you know put this product up एकदम sparingly अपनी skin पे, अपने face पे, neck पे लगा के, and I think this enhances how the makeup settles in if you have this product underneath. तो ये मतलब this gives a very flawless base to your face, foundation or anything. और जब आप उसके बाद application करते हो ना उन सब चीज़ों की, be it using a beauty blender or a brush, everything glides on smoothly. आप मतलब it does create a difference. It's not a skincare product for sure. I was stupid to think of it like that. लेकिन ये से I think it's very good. It's a good to have when you're talking about makeup base and you know just something that you want to give a little bit of soothing effect to your skin and also make sure that your makeup glides easily. So yeah, it was a good buy. I'm not regretting it. Another thing that I picked up from them, so actually हुआ क्या था, they were running this absolutely amazing offer. I think कुछ 1299 के purchase पे they were giving off this hydraulic hydrating stick free, so I picked it up in that offer. तो काफ़ी सही price में मेरे को पड़ गया था ये, but then otherwise it retails for $9.99, so that's like a good amount for a primer, but you know, it works. So if you want to pick it, you can. It's not a need to have, honestly though. Two things that I picked up. I wish they had a different packaging, but this is a contour stick and a blush stick. I am recently too much into creamy makeup. एक वो अच्छा सा sheen, वो satiny finish. From matte, I'm slowly gliding towards you know, something more smooth finish, a little bit of silky satin effect. Nothing too crazy, but definitely a little bit of shine. So I thought of experimenting a little bit with the cream product, and I'm not regretting that as well. So I picked up this contour stick in the shade Fawn first. तो I think इसमें दो shades हैं उनके पास. One is like darker color and this one was a lighter color. So I picked a little bit lighter color because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा harsh contouring पसंद नहीं है. So I think this works well for my skin tone. ये ऐसा सा है. I'm sorry for the mess I created on the tube of it, but yeah, it's like this, and then नीचे जैसे, I don't know if you guys remember or not, पर मुझे ऐसा याद है कि my mother had a lot of makeup like this. जैसे उनके पास I remember, categorically remember, एक रोजी सा blush था और वो भी ऐसे ही था, you know, you could twist it and the product would come out cylindrical bottle में, और I was so fascinated with that, and this reminds me of that honestly. ये contouring stick है, it's creamy, it's very nice, blendable. I love it. I think it retails for $7.99. Is it? Yes, it retails for $7.99 and a great product. I really like it. The blush stick, however, there's no however, I like the blush stick as well. The only thing that I would, you know, if I could change one thing about these two products, there'll be, acha, ek cheez aur. So the contour stick has C written on top of it to differentiate, and the blush stick has B written on top of it. I think they could have gotten a little more creative with the packaging. दोनों का बिल्कुल same packaging है. It sometimes, you know, it's hard to grab the product off the top of the stack of makeup. और दोनों का अंदर का packaging भी same है. It's this black twisting वाला tube, and this is the color that I picked. So blush that I've picked is 03 Mauve Marvel. And I like the color, I like the finish of this product. Looks really nice, blends easily, is buildable, everything good about this. The only thing that I would probably change, and it's not a big deal, but I think it'll be a good creative change for them to make, is changing the packaging of these two so they stand out a little bit from each other. So these are the things that are my recent purchase. Although a couple of months ago मैंने कुछ और चीज़ें भी उनकी ली थी, and this was like a pop-up shop जो यहाँ मेरे घर के पास जो मॉल है वहाँ पर it had opened, and I picked up a couple of things which are really good. Actually, I went to that store looking out for this lipstick, Browning Glory, which is nothing else matte long wear lipstick. So Jyoti Sethi, who's my favorite YouTuber, she has this color as her favorite, and that is why I wanted to pick it up. Her color complexion is a little similar to mine, and I love you know, the lipsticks that she prefers, and we almost have same favorites. So that is why I picked this lipstick up, and it's really nice. It's a nice satiny soft matte kind of a finish. It doesn't have a shine to it, looks beautiful, but I really like matte lipsticks which are like super matte. The problem is the moment it, you know, I can stick my lips together when I'm like pressing them, it becomes a fail for me. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people hate that feeling where वो एकदम खिंचा खिंचा सा लगता है. It looks like it's like sucking all the moisture out of your lips. I hate that feeling too, but I think I feel more comfortable wearing it in terms of how it appears. क्योंकि I don't know why, it's just me maybe, कि मुझे ऐसा लगता रहता है कि I think, you know, the product is wearing off a little bit when I'm like sitting just there and just, you know, पता नहीं, I just have this really annoying feeling कि ऐसे सारा लिपस्टिक निकल जाएगा. और with the ones which are little drier and more matte, I know they stay on for long, so I feel more confident कि लिपस्टिक अभी भी लगा है. So maybe that is why. But this is an amazing color for especially for medium to dusky skin tones. It'll look beautiful on fair skin tones as well. But great lipstick, great product. Only I wish it was a little more matte than it claims to be. Two other things that I picked up uske saath when I picked that lipstick up are these lip liners. So this one is Lipping on the Edge lip liner in the shade Tan Fan and the shade Wood Nude. So these are the two lip liners I picked, and honestly I picked these lip liners. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी मुझे. I mean I feel कि मेरे पास दोनों ही कलर के लिपस्टिक्स थे, इनके Smudge Me Not lipsticks, but I don't know why I forgot कि मेरे पास exact same shades हैं and I picked it. But I don't regret buying this because they're like very nice matte, वो वाला matte जो मेरा preference है, and they're beautiful to use. तो ये लिप लाइनर्स का चस्का ना मुझे भी बहुत रिसेंटली चढ़ा है. Maybelline का I picked up this lip liner and I really like the finish of it. Everywhere I went wearing that lipstick, people would ask which lipstick, what is it, कौन सा lipstick है ये, कहाँ से लिया, कौन सा brand है, and that is why that got me hooked on lip liners, and I'm always on the lookout for good ones now. And these ones I bought उसी rush में कि I have to buy lip liners, and I picked these ones. They're an okay-ish buy. I am not raving about them, but yeah, I mean अगर आपके पास lipsticks हैं, and by the way both of these shades are from the Smudge Me Not lipstick का exact same lip liner version. So I would say अगर आप because I know उनका Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks are very matte and not a lot of people prefer it. तो अगर आप भी उन लोगों में से एक हो who do not wear or who do not like that खिंचा वाला feeling, that drying feeling that Smudge Me Not lipsticks give, you can probably pick these ones up. They are way more comfortable than those. Then I picked up this guy, which is their Arrested for Overstay waterproof eyeliner ILB Black, and I love this eyeliner. I think it is after ages that I found a lip liner that I found an eyeliner that I absolutely love. मुझे eyeliner whenever I'm picking one, I do want to make sure कि वो बिल्कुल matte है. As usual सब कुछ matte चाहिए मुझे, and it should be black, like blackout black, and this is exactly like that. I can't compromise with black. मतलब एकदम jade black or charcoal black वो सब नहीं चाहिए. I want it flat out black, and this guy does that. It stays on forever, is easy to apply. लेकिन एक चीज़ जो मुझे थोड़ा सा बगी लगने लगी है वो ये है कि it has like a sketch pen type of a felt tip. और ऐसे वाले टिप्स के साथ what I have noticed, and I'm not sure if that's gonna be the case with this one as well, is ऐसे वाले टिप्स के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, after a little while they wear off. आप जितना उनको wear करते हो the quality of the tip degrades, और ये जैसे फटने लग जाते हैं. They start like splitting. छोटे छोटे रेशेस में से आपको दिखने लगेंगे. So I really hope that doesn't happen with this guy. But yeah, I mean it's a great eyeliner. If I definitely recommend it. If you're picking an eyeliner, pick this one. It's amazing. After that I have Sugar's mascara, and this one is Lash Mob Limitless Mascara Black with a Bang. This is what the wand looks like. I'm not sure if you're able to see. Are you? Nothing too crazy about this mascara. It's just like any other mascara. कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल बोलने के लिए नहीं है मेरे पास इसके लिए. It's just like a regular mascara, and I'm sure I think this one retailed for how much? I think around $6.99 or $5.99. I'm not sure, but I'm sure कि इससे कम प्राइस के भी mascaras मिलते हैं. If you're just picking like a random mascara, why not pick something that is cheaper? I don't think there's any like good thing about this guy. कुछ बुरा भी नहीं है by the way, it's just, you know, it's good that it exists. I need to really work on things, you know. I literally, as a person, I oscillate between two extremes. Either I love something or I don't, I hate it. There's like no middle ground. But no, I'm getting more open-minded about these things, and I don't hate this. I mean, it's just fine. उसके बाद ये सारे lipsticks is what I have from them. I kind of have already talked about the Smudge Me Not lipstick, so it's just like repeating myself. Nothing much has changed in my opinion of them. पहले भी मुझे you know, कुछ ऐसा मैंने और नया डिस्कवर नहीं कर लिया इतना टाइम में. I know they came up with a lot of other lipstick lines that I haven't tried yet. If I will try, I will definitely let you know. लेकिन हाँ, the one thing that has changed about the lipsticks, and it's my opinion really, I don't think they change anything about the quality, but I'm like super impressed with their matte as hell crayon lipsticks. I think जो last video मैंने बनाया था उस time तक I only had like 2 of these or 3 of these, I don't remember honestly. लेकिन I wasn't not really a fan of these तब तक. I think I had this guy तब भी, Murphy Brown, and this is like my this is like my second purchase. I love this product and I thought of trying other colors from them, and they are amazing. Almost जिससे भी हम बात करते हैं Sugar Cosmetics के बारे में, they would definitely talk about their matte as hell crayon lipsticks, and I know the reason why, because they're really nice, they're really good. So एक तो बहुत अच्छी बात इनकी ये है कि ये matte है. They go flat out matte after seconds you apply. तो जब आप लगा रहे होते हो तो they are a little more forgiving कि आप अगर कहीं से निकल गया, if you know you aren't able to do it nicely and neatly, you do have a scope of correcting them. ये एकदम से dry out नहीं हो जाते, तो it doesn't, you know, make your life difficult in cleaning and wiping that out. So these are really nice. Glides amazingly, colors are beautiful. I've picked all of their nudes, तो I'm sure आप में से बहुत सारे लोग शायद ये भी बोलेंगे they're all same colors, but they're not, they're all different. That's the beauty of nude colors, right? Each color is different from the other. And I have also done swatch videos of all my Sugar lipsticks, so definitely go check that out. I will put that in the link below, in the description below. I'll put the link in the description below, and you will get an idea of how those colors look on me. But yeah, I mean, I have all of these colors, like I have snaps of me wearing these colors and how they look on dusky skin tone, and actually I would say all of these colors are beautiful. Claire Underwood and Viola are 2 colors that I would definitely recommend every single one of you, no matter what your color complexion is, or you know, whatever kind of nudes you prefer. I'm sure you will be able to get most out of these 2. ये जो Viola है, that's a little bit of pinky nude kind of a color, and Claire Underwood is more warm toned towards peachy brown side. So yeah, these 2 colors are my personal favorite. But ये जो इनकी collection है matte as hell crayon lipsticks, it's definitely worth a try. Definitely go ahead and check it out. Also एक और चीज़, ये lipsticks आप जितनी बार भी खरीदते हो, you know, you get a sharpener free with it. तो I have given these sharpeners off to so many people, because कितने sharpeners? I mean, I have like 5-6 of these lipsticks, and 6 of these sharpeners is like too much. Abhi I think I have this guy is the one that I have for spare. ये किसी दिन जब मेरा sharpener दूसरा वाला खो जाएगा is when I'll use it. But these are a twin sharpener, so you can sharpen a lip pencil with that as well as a crayon. Great product, बहुत अच्छा blade है इसका. I love you know how easily it sharpens. I've used it for other crayons as well, like Faces Canada का मेरे पास crayon है, and NARS का है, and I've used this sharpener for them too. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि it's just only good for the Sugar Cosmetics one. अच्छा product है, but yeah, they send it with every crayon lipstick you buy, so chances are if you're buying 2 or more of them, तो आपके पास ढेर लग जाए इनका. So yeah, and Sugar is always running very good offers on their products online. कभी $12.99 के साथ आपको I know for sure, I think 999 के साथ वो एक pouch या कुछ देते हैं. Nothing too fancy, but it's a really good initiative that, you know, just giving away something extra. सबको एक्स्ट्रा सामान अच्छा लगता है. I know, I love it. I'm sure you do as well. और you know, उनके साथ और दूसरी अच्छी चीज़ ये है that they're India made, they are cruelty free, and they're easily accessible. और अब तो उनके काफ़ी सारे stores भी खुल गए हैं in all the major cities, so it's easy for you to get your hands on it. They're also available on New You. तो अगर आपके पास Sugar Cosmetics का आसपास कोई store नहीं है, you're still able to get them easily on New You stores. So yeah, I mean, it's an excellent brand. They have evolved a lot in these past 2 years. They've come up with amazing products, and I'm yet to try all of them, but so far I have tried these things that I've shown you, and all of them are amazing. So I hope you found this video helpful. I know बहुत ज़्यादा सामान नहीं था मेरे पास दिखाने के लिए, but if I have to pick of the things that are my favorite in the stuff that I've showed you, it'll definitely be this guy, the lip liner, and this hydrating alcoholic. I don't know why I like mix up alcoholic and hydrating to hydraulic. Just aquaholic hydrating stick. These two things are my favorite for now, for obvious reasons. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you're able to like and share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in your comments below what else you'd like me to make in the videos, and I'll be happy to do it for you. Also, let me know if there are other products that you'd like me to review. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. वहाँ मैं ज़्यादा active रहती हूँ. I'm like posting updates on them, and also any upcoming video announcements. I do it first there. तो अगर आप वहाँ पर हो तो chances are that you will know what to expect and what is the next video that's coming up on my channel. And all this Indianness going on, it's just because I barely am going out anywhere, and I was like really missing wearing my Indian clothes, and घर पे तो वही pajama, वही t-shirt. So I thought of climbing up a little bit today, and you know, just putting in a little bit of effort to have all my desi juices oozing out right now. So yeah, that's why all of this jura and chumka and bindi and everything going on, and I honestly truly like it. So yeah, I mean, I hope you all stay safe, stay home, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be amazing. Bye.